Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use keyframe on the video editor app. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my video editor and I'm going to open the project I have just created, and I'm going to show you how you can use keyframe. Okay, basically guys, we can use keyframe to make movement on our video, photo, or anything. You can use it to animate an object. For example, you can use it to animate text. Let's add the text first. I'm going to select the text and I'm going to add a little bit of the body text. And I'm just going to type in text like this, and then you can make this text move using keyframe. I'm going to add the keyframe to the text. Okay, this is the keyframe button. You can tap on that and then you can make a movement. Oops, sorry guys, let me undo first. Okay, you can make a movement, but don't forget to add different keyframe like this. Oops, I'm going to make a movement and let's see what will happen to the text. Oops. Okay, as you can see that the text is moving. You can also use it for your video. For example, you want to create zoom in effect. Wait, let me delete the text. So you just need to add keyframe. Click on your video and add keyframe. And I'm going to move to the end part of this video. Add keyframe again, and we can zoom in like this. Okay, and let's see the result. Alright, the zoom in effect has been created using keyframe feature. Okay, you can also animate a sticker or just anything guys. I'm going to add element and let's animate the element. But wait, it's still loading. Okay. I'm going to add this circle and let's add keyframe. I'm going to add bounce effect. So yeah, just do this movement. Oops. Okay, and let's play it. Okay guys, and that's how we can use keyframe on video editor app. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.